Because the type of situation that the country is facing now, it poses a great risk. And we want to say to them, if you have to refuel your generator, shut it down, disengage from the power supply, refuel before you restart. Try your endeavor best to keep it in a well ventilated area, not an enclosed area with a lot of fumes can be, because then you can suffer from carbon monoxide poisoning and it may be fatal. Also, we want to advise, because we have to be using alternate source of lighting, candles and the such like, as best as possible. Keep them away from anything that may come in contact and could contribute to the spread of fire.